going to cause people to go and vote for Donald Trump because he's the Medicare for all candidate. Who do you think more people are going to go, oh, shit, even Trump is admitting it. Well, I'm going to go with the Medicare for all guy. Exactly. There's no world in which you can actually, I want to vote for Biden because he's the guy. No, you're going to go with the fucking talking about how rapist immigrants are, how invented
Kiss your cat and record their reaction.
Even though the underlying evidence for it, the premises that this immigration conversation is derived from, is complete nonsense.
His face.
Hysterical, schizophrenic hallucinations of some of the most racist Republicans you've ever seen. NPR shows where they finally said it. They were like, yeah, immigration is a really tough issue for Biden. Also, simultaneously, immigration is a really tough issue for Biden. Also, there's no empirical evidence to suggest that immigrants are doing more crime than like natural born U.S. citizens. That's evidence to show that immigrants are responsible for less crime per capita than natural born U.S. citizens. It took them this long to fucking say this.
It's not even true that we're bringing fentanyl. Almost all fentanyl comes in through port of entry, like legally. Would you know that if you listen to Biden? No.
Yeah, and it's crazy because like these are the 90% of all fentanyl trafficked over the border.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Border Patrol. Those are the motherfuckers who are doing it. With like individuals coming in like American Honda Civics that are cut down with like white Americans driving the Honda Civic because they're less likely to be fucking caught.
Yeah, it's Democrats used to say this like 5-6 years ago before Biden. They did push back against the wall was stupid. They brought up that like most. They said this, and the polling, they persuaded people. The wall was never popular. Immigration was never something Trump was actually good on. But they've had to construct these narratives about like how any issue Biden faces is something other than race. It has to be over like that he's too left-wing economically. It has to be that he's not pro-Israel enough. It has to be that he's not strong enough on immigration. Throwing everything overboard.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
I know. It is really, really, he's losing the electoral college. Is talking about how he needs to fucking drive and shit. Like it's just over.
Huh?
Yeah, it's
Political. Democrats freak out over Biden's debate performance. Biden is toast.
even Jeff Tetrick just said, "What the fuck did I just watch?" Jeff Tetrick isn't spinning it.
Yeah, it's so bad. It is so unimaginably bad.
Broccoli,
Like, we've been there.
apples,
We have been here
pears,
for
bananas,
years at this
carrots,
point. So it's kind of shocking
chicken.
that they are finally fucking giving that recognition. As though like a like I don't know what
that like liberals have gone over the past year to just believe anything other than the fact that Biden might be too old. They have been willing to just say that Trump is popular. They've been willing to say that people want immigration. They've been willing to say that every the best candidate available.
I owed him up.
How do you like? Why do you even do that? Why would you want to believe that?
ultimately, you will, with a certain Donald Trump as president.
get your response. I think one of the interesting things that Alex said there was that coherence.
Huh?
Biden is being viewed as
debate said, I didn't have sex with a porn star. That's the loser of that debate. That would be the normal scorecard. So let's just remember, the only thing we've been concentrating on here is things that we call optics, and in this case also audio, because of the of Joe Biden. But the question is that we don't know the answer to. Voters out there who thinking Trump, whatever they were thinking,
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet.
It will matter.
Dude, that doesn't matter. We're so far from substance, big dog. That only matters when you have a competent person who doesn't look fucking demented on stage.
Pretend that this is anything that it is, which is it revolves.
How we got here? This is exactly how we got here. Because Democrats.
That's right. You and me. Right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Have been acting like what everyone thinks. What all fucking polling results say, regardless of their steady effort to make it seem like that's not the case, is, you know, ringing every fucking alarm bell that Brandon looks like he's dying. Okay? You can't have green hair go up there in a press conference and keep saying it's AI that makes it look. Okay? You can't do that.
And I want to, like, again, in the Senate races, like this year, Democrats are this is not a keeper.
Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. It is unimaginable how badly they're fucking up. This is I mean,
love each other.
Hillary Clinton in 2016. She's unlikable. She's great.
Huh?
Oh yeah, well there's that. You're right. At least better than Joe Biden. Oh my lord, it is actually crazy. I don't know.
It's just crazy that it took this to get to this point.
What? Just
I owed him up.
Democratic are now considering going to the White House to call on Biden to send him from his debate. January 16th.
Huh?
The 18th Romero, Gretchen Whitmer.
Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, I'll take her. I'll take JP.
Mira que te dije que si naviva la llama del amor, crece y no menguar.
Okay, let's. Ain't got no gas in it.
Bernie Sanders is too old. That was, you know, he's just Bernie Sanders age-wise is old. Older than obviously older than more coherent. Like, I don't think people understand. Like, Joe Biden's mental faculties have fucking deteriorated. Okay, it is so obvious. I can't believe they tried to do this. Like, oh, he just has a stutter. Shit for the longest time. Like, it was so crazy.
Bro, not a stutter. Back in the day, you could talk and you could
Why is he so wet? He's getting wetter by the moment.
No, Dave.
Oh my God! Wait, what the fuck? What are they dousing him? Are they spraying him with water like a cat or something? What the fuck?
Boys, Dave.
Dude, I've never seen somebody so wet on camera. Yeah, we gotta listen to what they have to say. Hold on. Joe Biden all night.
NANI?!
If I may, that is such a sad state of affairs. Something I was consistently hearing is, what if he tried to get away from key points that he should have given the deflecting. With any normal Russian narrative next to him, I don't think he would have won the night. But you put suffering from the moment that they got out. America deserves better than this. Watching.
Biden stuttered, but he told the truth. You look terrible. Let's pause. Trump spoke plainly, but he lied the whole time.
Does it matter with perception?
Terrible. I mean, he's going to do nothing on climate change. He was. President. Problem is the country now. Might be an opportunity for people to get together and figure this out. Neither one of those people right now is inspiring the confidence that they should inspire that they can do the job.
This opens the door, by the way, for the conversation about. You're not voting for Trump.
Evacuated the
That is
spin.
what
No,
it
no,
is.
no. They're coming in now.
Down this road with
They have to get talking points.
this ticket.
The Scott's Democratic friend. That's the sentiment you're going to hear, I think. Some of my Democratic friends just texted me saying, I can't believe this is where we are, right? I don't think I'm not going to be able to forget the party.
I've never been more vindicated. It's the easiest, but like,
Because
at this point. But people watching from home, and Biden's job is to be the one to very quickly and I don't think that happens in universe that was built on lies and building a whole world for the millions of people It was not knocked down by the president. That is part of the problem. He may have won when he was making his discrete policy points, but part of the job on
You think we should just? I also think we
Kamala's
should
about to
let
go
voters
live on
absorb this
MSNBC.
and see what they
Uh-oh.
say. Right? Look
They
at
might
the
surprise
dials.
you.
They're bringing big guns.
Look at where they are next week. When we make our pronouncements.
Oh, God, what are they gonna play? Oh, I thought they were gonna play the fucking clip of him starting immediately.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, no. In 2020. Dude, yeah, Jank, you were right on the is like
I owed him up.
Oh my god, what is that?
The Democratic Party's chances are fucking absolutely.
Oh my god!
The Democratic Party down ballot is going to, for the first
You gotta
time
lay it down.
potentially that's not normal. That doesn't happen. Like, our performance. Dude, Democratic senators in their races right now are outperforming Joe Biden in Nevada, Arizona, and many other fucking states by like 10 points, sometimes 15 points. That is so insane.
What?
Doesn't happen. People literally, like the people, like the really pro. Maybe there's something different about this one guy compared to like regular.
Someone in his focus group, in Franklin's focus group, said, I don't even know if November.
Even if like he dropped out, you're still so fucking. Get to the.
No, no, no.
I know that'd be kind of
Yeah, I don't even know. I mean, I guess the NC technically legally, because they fought that court after 2016, they legally choose whoever the fuck they want.
It's always
Yeah.
they just don't do it like that.
I'm just saying, they can choose whoever they want. They can literally completely cast aside all of the delegates and everything else and be like, no, this is our guy.
What?
Talking.